Okay, y'all. It's 5:30 in the morning. Not even 5:30 yet. Saturday. I'm sleepy. I want to go back to sleep, but I need to tell y'all this. I had the worst possible dream, and I really went back on something I'm against. I had dreamed that I agreed to take my ex back. Yes. And I was like trying to figure out in my mind, in my dream, why am I taking him back? Why am I going back on what I firmly believe? Don't go back to what broke you. And I'm taking this nigga back. Excuse me. But, and then in my dream, I was trying to figure out the way to tell my followers why I took him back, why I went back on my word. Don't go back. But I couldn't come up with nothing other than I was wrong. I was wrong. In some cases, you can't go back. like, how? How would I justify that? Because we only were back together one day, not even a full day. It's like I went over to visit his family. We agreed to have dinner. Everybody came over, and he left to go get the chicken. And it was hours before he came back. And everybody was like, "Where's the chicken?" We have everything but the chicken. Where's the chicken? Asking me, where's the chicken? I don't know. Shoot. But I had so much fun waiting on the chicken while he was gone. And then when he came back, I was already eating chicken for somehow. Somehow we already had chicken. Chicken just appeared. And then we were eating. He came back. But get this. When he came back, he was a different person. Some person I knew all my life, but I never would have dated. Not bad looking, actually good looking, but just not my type. So when he came back, we were eating. I glanced up. I was like, oh my goodness. Like I made the worst mistake of my life. He sat down. And he started calling me some nickname that I never heard. Goopa. Like Goobly. I'm like, oh my goodness. I did not look up once. Or even look at him once. After he sat down and started talking. I was like, why did I do this? Why did I do this? Why? Was I that damn desperate to take him back? So, he's like, yeah, I miss my Goopa, Googly or Goopa, but it was only 2 years, actually less than 2 years, like a year and a half, and it was easier to get it back. I was like, oh, this mug. Ooh, that's why I left. Like, that's one reason why I left. But I figured my dream was telling me somebody is coming to my life. It might be him again, trying to get me back. Don't go back. My dream was telling me, don't go back. Don't go back on word. Stand fast. My dream was just a reminder for me and for all of you, like 9 times out of 10, you will regret taking your ex back because they will show you left for a damn reason. The season was over. Now it's your time to move on. and stay happy. Okay, so I'm going back to bed. I'll talk with y'all later. Bye. Ooh, lie. Ooh, Lord. That dream.